Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to get this really natural makeup look. The eyeshadow is really dark, but if you use only one color, you would be getting a light shade. So let's get on with the video and you can see how I did this makeup look. So let's get started. First of all, I would be doing a little bit of the skincare. Get the hair out of my face first. So I have this, you can see it would be a little inverted. I have this Lakme Sun Expert. It has SPF 50. So I hope it is recording. Yeah, I would be using that just a tiny bit, because I don't want my skin to be oily before any makeup. Now I have this, as you can see, Lacto Ceramine Oil Based Moisturizer. It has a real tiny bottle. In my previous video you would have seen, in my skincare video I unboxed this and gave a review on this. Now I have this. I didn't give a review on this because I got this after a while. My father ordered this actually. He needed this. I also use this. It is a under eye cream by moms.co. Yeah. It has a little roll-on on it. So you press it and the cream comes out. And you apply it under your eyes just like that. This helps in the puffiness of the skin. Like, I don't have it, but some people have puffiness right here. So it helps in that. So next thing I would be doing is putting on primer. I have this MAC Matte Perfecting Makeup Primer Smoothing Effect Oil Free. I have used this several times and it is really nice for your skin. This primer really affects in the matte finish that as I said previously, I have put in already 3 cream products on my face. So this primer makes it all matte and takes away the oil that is inside, as you can see at my face. Let's move on to the concealer. Fun fact, this is not a concealer, this is Artistry Exact Fit 24-hour long wearing foundation by Amway, as you can see. This was this I found in my mother's makeup. Like, she doesn't use much makeup, but she has a little bit of it. So I found it inside her makeup, and it was really light for my skin tone and as well as my mother's skin tone. So I use it as a concealer now. As you can see, it's really light, and our concealer should always be lighter than our skin tone. I would be doing that triangle method that everyone used to do. I just wipe my brush off. Need a little bit more. So everything is done. Now I would let that sit for a minute. Until we wait, I'll just take this Lip Crush Macron Lip Balm by Nykaa. I have been using this for quite a while now, and it's really nice because it moisturizes my lips quite well, and it is also in a Macron shape, as you can see. With pink frosting. I've never eaten macarons myself. Okay. So I would just be applying that with my bare hands. They are clean. Next I would be taking this my foundation. This is the regular foundation that I use. This is the MAC Face and Body Foundation. In my vlog to Bhopal video, you would have seen the haul, a little haul I did. Some parts were cut out by mistake, but it's okay. But this was inside the video, and so today I would be mixing two foundations. I would be taking the blob of that, and I would be mixing it with my mother's foundation. This is my father's also favorite foundation. This is Lakme 925 Tester. This is Weightless Mouse Foundation. I read its name first time in my entire life from when I was learning about foundations and all. Okay, so I would be mixing them both together. I've never done that before, but as you can see, they both are on here. The MAC one has a cream formula, and this Amway one has, no, this was Lakme, yeah, it was Lakme. This Lakme one has a really thick formula. Okay. It's pretty much like the MAC foundation, as you can see. So I would be applying that now. I'll blend this and just be back in a minute. You can see before. So as you can see the shine of my face, that means my foundation is really sticky right now. So I would not be applying any more cream products. I would just be applying my cream shadows that match with my dress properly. So now I would be applying my loose powder. I have this powder from Lakme. It's the rose powder with sunscreen. So I just got this as my Rakhi gift from my father. So I would just be tapping some down. That just fell into my eye with it. No. It has this 3-finger thing to apply the powder. Here's the powder. I would just be putting some more down. Okay, so I would be putting some down my eye as well to set it. I would be doing it on my entire face. Just wipe it off with my. As you can see, I have a nice base right now. It's all set and clean, and it's not wet at all now. It's not sticky. I don't know how it is showing this as a shiny part in the camera, but in person everything is matte now. The setting powder really did something. I would be applying the blusher with my hands. As you can see, there's a bright pink stripe right there. Same for here. Yeah. Yes, I'm back. So I blended it with my wet brush, and I shall say it worked pretty well. And it gave me a highlighter finish as well. I'm just drying off the water. You don't need to do this. I just did it because all my brushes were wet and now my face is kind of wet. As you can see by the shine in the camera. but rest of it is pretty nice. I would be taking this highlighter by Rose Makeup. It is a nice company in India. It is not Rose Makeup, it is Lotus Makeup. It's not showing up, but it is Lotus. So this was the same blush I used. It is a duo kind of. It's showing it pretty shiny on the camera, but in person it's pretty light. Like it's perfect for natural makeup. Okay, so I changed the position of the camera so you can see better. First of all, we would start with the eyebrows. So I have this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. You can see it has double ends. First is this for combing your brows and removing extra makeup if you have any on them, and some people do soap brows, so for that also this can be used. This doesn't have any product on it, and on this end it has a brow pencil. So I would be leaving them there. I would not mess with them more, or they would look hilarious. So now what shall we do next? I think I would be doing the eye makeup probably. So, as I told you previously, I would be using the same shades, and I think I would be using this brush for my cream shadows. I would just apply that all over my lid. As you can see, it matches with my dress perfectly. Ouch. I poked that into my eye. That's okay. My hairband's really hurting me. I should probably take it off. What can I do? It's Rakhi and I need to dress up properly. That's the only hairband that goes with my look. I know that looks bad, but I would just clean that up. Is that my eyelid? I don't know. So now I would be taking a fluffy brush if I find one. I'm really sorry for the noise. Okay, so here I have it. Let me check if I have another one. Yeah, this is better than this. So I have this palette by Sephora, which I will be using now. I'll just tell you which palette is this. This is the #iStories palette, Southwest Sunrise, and 6 eyeshadow palette, as you can see. It's by Sephora. upside down. It's by Sephora. And it has 6 beautiful shades. Hashtag not sponsored. So I would be taking red clay. This one. This is the shade, the brown one, this one. So I would be taking that and blending that out with the cream shadow, mixing that with sandstone. This was the lighter color. Okay. I would be doing the same. Yes. First of all, I thought I would use sandstone, but it was too light, so I used red clay. Whenever I do my makeup, I do it so messily. It looks so bad. Every time I do it. Like, the base is okay, but the eyes part, the first nightmare. I'm not able to take this thing off. And I'll take this Sephora palette again, or you could take any highlighter as well. I'm going to be using the Gamsum color right here. It's a shiny color. It's just like highlighter. And putting that into my inner corner. I'll just wipe this one off. Split it. You can see it's shiny over there. So I would be taking this mascara. This is really trending on Instagram right now. This is Maybelline New York, the Colso Sal. No, it is Colosal. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I would just be putting that down and just. So I would just be taking a kajal and quickly doing my waterline. I don't know which kajal this is. Maybe Lakme. That is the one usually my mother uses. So now we would be doing the lips. I already applied my lip balm. So I have this lipstick by Biotique. Biotique lipstick. It's the shade, I'll just Twinkle Pink. It is not showing up. Is it? Okay, so you can just see Twinkle Pink is the shade 5605. No, 605. So I would be taking a little bit of that, like just a tiny bit. This is the shade. Okay. I think that's enough. So that was all of my makeup look. Okay guys, so I hope today's video was helpful for you, and I hope the camera is also right, because I got my new tripod and I'm learning it how to use it. So I hope the camera angle is alright. I tried my best. So, and for my makeup look also I tried my best. I know the eyeshadow is not looking pretty natural, So you can just skip the step or just put only red clay on it. That also looks okay. I would just be wiping this off and putting just one color on it. Otherwise, I like the makeup look a lot. The base is very light and pretty. You can use the damp brushes at the beauty blenders. They really worked, and I hope today's video was helpful. And I'll see you next time. You can, if you like the video, you can like and subscribe. I would not force you to do anything, but if you like it, you can do it. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you next time.